Bellboxes!
George! George! Where is he? George! I need you here.
Hi, Simba!
George! Don't shock me like that.
Were you calling me?
Yeah, 'cause I'm hungry. Can you bring me something to eat?
What? You called me all this way because of that?
Yeah?
Simba, look, I am not supposed to be here to serve you. You just do it yourself.
Aw, that is not right. We should help each other. I always help George when he needs my help.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, George. What are you doing?
I'm drawing a picture of a mountain and the sunset.
Wow, nice picture.
Thank you, Simba.
Can I help you?
No, just a minute. I'm going to find my light red pencil for the sunset. I'll be back.
I am gonna surprise him. I'm gonna color the picture for him because I am a helpful friend. Some more grass here, yeah. More blue color in the sky. A tree would do a lot for this picture. And here is some red color for the sunset. Oh, George is gonna love it.
Simba, what are you doing?
What a nice picture we made.
Simba, you just ruined my picture.
No, it looks so much better now.
Simba, I'm...
George, no need to thank me. You are welcome. I just love to help. Hi, George. What are you doing?
I'm learning a new song.
Do you need help? I could add some notes here.
Okay, Simba, I get it. You want to show me that you are helpful. But if I really need your help, I will ask for it. Now, just leave me alone, please.
Okay, as you wish, George. Oh!
Now, where was I? Oh! Help me!
What's wrong?
Help!
Oh!
Simba, can you
Poor
help me?
George.
Help me!
Let me help you.
Oh!
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
No broken bones?
No, I'm okay. Thank you, Simba.
You're welcome, George. That's what friends are for, you know.
Thank God you were here.
Yeah. George,
Yes, Simba?
can I now ask you to go and get me something to eat?
No, Simba.
Okay. Just asking.
Oh, this cat. Bellboxes!